Hi, beauties. Today I'm here with Sophia and Abigail, and we are going to do a quick makeup look. She already did my eyes a little bit. We're going in with bronzer as we speak, and you guys can just follow along and hang out with us.
Yeah, so what we did, I want to do recapture. We just took the fluffy brush and we applied this light shade of number 1. They don't really have a name. And I applied it just in the inner corner. So see how beautiful this, kind of like a sparkle, almost like luminous type of light. And then we took the number 2 shade and I applied it on the crease. And then we just took the darker one and I use it as a liner. So this is actually a quick way to create line drama but still look soft. And if you have if you have a meeting and you don't want to look like too much, you don't want to look like, oh my god, I put so much makeup, this is perfect. And then you apply tons and tons of mascara and you look like a boss lady. You can tell people what to do, but does not look like too much, because a lot of times people feel that makeup wears them but not you. So this is a perfect look when you wear the makeup and you tell people what to do. Right?
I don't know if that's what we're doing. I don't know if I'm...
But
well,
it just kind of, you always make decisions every day, right? And you make powerful decisions and you want to feel like that person who's going to be in charge of situation. And I think it's very important for anyone. So we just going to take this blush like that. And what I do, I just put it on the hand like this. So
to test it.
To test it. And plus, you just take away too much product. So that way you're not, and this is a very clean part of this, for your hand.
Your hand is
don't worry about that.
There. We're trying to get out of there.
Of course you do.
Yep.
So now we're just gonna fake smile.
You want to go down? Okay.
There we go. She was like, okay. So we're gonna fake smile, and I always like to start the blush right here and then pull it up.
Wow, I like that.
This is
pretty.
This is like NARS, but clean NARS.
Yes.
This is gorgeous. And I do know some people that actually use the blush as their shadow. So this would be a perfect shadow too. This is gorgeous. It just right away gave you luminosity and just glow.
Minutes.
Perfect. And that's it, guys. That's it. And actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to take kind of like this concealer brush, right? And I'm going to take this color for the blush and we're going to apply on the lips. That's it. This is pretty. And then we can take another this fluffy brush. I'm going to take the first shade and we can do as a highlight. Just a little bit of glow. And then, if you like contour like I do, I'm going to take the contour. I'm going to do a little bit on the nose. Perfect. And to finish the look, if you guys like the brows, we're just going to do a little bit of brows. And by the way, Cassandra brows are microbladed, so if you would like to know more information, please connect with her. She's going to set you up with the
book
best
on our website at CassandraMcClure.com. Right online,
Yes.
You can book any service, whether it's lash lift, microblading, eyelash extensions, makeup, hair, spray tanning, teeth whitening. I mean, basically anything you can think of beauty related, you can book on our website.
But it's not just teeth whitening. It's actually something that doesn't hurt you. And
if you have sensitive teeth, don't even worry. You can do it.
Exactly.
And it's all to your home. It's all on demand.
Comes to you guys, which is the best for busy moms like us. I mean, I'm a mom, and Frenchie.
I'm a Frenchie mom.
She's a Frenchie mom, so we all moms. So it's like always on the go.
Yeah, and we have a lot of different women who specialize in different things. So Sydney is our airbrush artist and also our teeth whitening guru, and she comes over and she just did our teeth last week. I mean, they're sparkling white. And she gives us a touch-up kit as well, so that if they start to get stained, if we go out to Napa and have a couple glasses of wine, we can do a touch-up like right on site. And so
my Facebook is Beauty by Sofia Bee, exactly the same how I have on Instagram. And Cassandra, you are Cassandra McClure on Facebook as well.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see
we did a couple posts about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
So we're doing an Instagram live over here too. So we have 2 different things going on at the same time.
Yep.
Okay.
We're busy women on the run, which is awesome. And we are so thankful for everyone who is watching us. And we'd love for you guys to share us. And that's it. Pretty much. Oh, I'll just use a little bronzer from Beauty Counter. I just love this bronzer. It's like perfect. It just for a little more drama if you guys want to make it extra. And I always like to go over the blush. I just personally do. It could never be too much of bronze goddess, right? Never, never, never. Camera loves bronze goddess. Perfect.
Now I just need some cute earrings and figure out, rebrush my hair out, and then
that's it, right?
Maybe put on some falsies.
Do you have any lip balm? Ooh, put some lip balm from Beauty Counter, right?
You mean gloss or?
Gloss, yes.
Okay. I have my lip balm here. Actually, I have like a really juicy one that I really like. This one is Dahlia. Beautiful. I just love this.
That's it.
That is the look in under 10 minutes.
And exactly. And then if you guys want to add a little sparkle, like the middle one, that's good. But today we're not gonna put any sparkle because we really love the this look from. It's just really pretty.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.